Good afternoon. It's time for the Jungle News Express. Drop and break his favorite honey jar. After Tarzan's hit and run, a Jungle News update. Thank you for watching. Good afternoon. It's time for the Jungle News Express. Breaking news in the jungle today, as Tarzan was wandering around, he accidentally bumped into a big black bear eating a meal. This caused him to drop and break his favorite honey jar. After Tarzan's hit and run, the bear is now in pursuit. If you're going out, please avoid cutting through the forest. It's best to stay at home and avoid danger. This has been a Jungle News Update. Thank you for watching.